Desalination facilities operate around the clock. Every day, massive volumes of water must be moved safely, efficiently, and without interruption. Because when water production stops, the consequences are immediate. Corrosion threatens everything. Many facilities rely on resin transfer molded pumps, systems that are costly and slow to replace, and vulnerable to ultraviolet degradation. Others turn to sealless magnetically driven pumps, introducing efficiency losses, torque limitations, and operational constraints in high-demand applications. Long-coupled bearing frame mounted pump configurations add even more complexity, increasing footprint, alignment risks, and long-term maintenance exposure. Semi-open impellers further restrict hydraulic performance, reducing efficiency and reliability. Downtime increases, maintenance demands rise, and operators are left spending more time fighting equipment limitations than improving throughput. MDM understands the pressure of mission-critical pumping. We've faced the same challenges and engineered solutions that perform in the world's most corrosive environments. That's why industry leaders like Saltworks Technology trust MDM pumps across projects of every scale. It starts with selecting the right pump the first time. By defining fluid characteristics, materials of construction, application requirements, and electrical needs, MDM application specialists ensure every pump operates at peak efficiency, reliability, and compliance. Work with our team to select the right solution for your system. The result? Less downtime, lower maintenance costs, reliable performance that keeps water moving day after day. Confident operators, trusted systems. MDM Pumps, guiding you to trouble-free pump solutions.